This is not your average grilled cheese. We're talking buttery, crispy sourdough packed with sweet caramelised onions, two kinds of melty cheese, and all the flavour of French onion soup. But without the soup, so you won't be needing this. Here's everything you're going to need. 2 large brown onions, some fresh thyme, beef broth, grated Gruyere cheese, some grated cheddar cheese, some soft butter, a loaf of sourdough bread, and a splash of dry white wine. Begin by peeling and slicing your onions. I like to cut them in half first because it makes it easier to remove the skin, and then I just simply cut the ends off and then the root end on an angle. That way it leaves us with a nice half of onion that we can work our way across and slice. Slice them as thinly as you can. Once you get over halfway through the onion, you can lay it down flat again and then you can continue slicing safely. Now melt 30 grams of butter in a pan over medium heat and then add in the sliced onions followed by a pinch of salt. Now this is where you've got to be patient. This takes around 30 to 40 minutes to get them truly caramelized, but just keep them cooking slowly, stirring them every couple of minutes until they reach a nice, rich, dark caramelized color. And when they're truly caramelized like this, we can add in 60 milliliters of dry white wine and leave it to cook until the wine evaporates. Then sprinkle in a teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves and pour in 125 milliliters of beef stock. Give it a good stir and leave it to reduce down until the onions become thick and jammy. And when your onions are looking something like this, we can then transfer them into a bowl and we'll move on to assembling the sandwich. Now let's build it. Butter one side of your sourdough slices and on the unbuttered side, add a layer of the Gruyere cheese. Then a generous spoonful of those sweet onions and then a sprinkle of the cheddar cheese to finish it off. Top with the second slice of sourdough with the buttered side up, and now it's ready for grilling. Heat a frying pan over medium-low heat and grill the sandwich until golden on both sides and the cheese is melted throughout. Take your time with this because low and slow makes for the perfect crust. To serve, slice it open and look at that. The melty cheese and those sweet onions. This is everything you love about French onion soup. Only this time it's grilled and crispy. And this is optional, but you can serve it with a little extra beef broth for dipping. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me, subscribe for more comfort food recipes with a twist, and hey, grilled cheese night just got a whole lot better.